From August 6 to 9th, the Hot Air Balloon Festival took place once again in the city of Magnitogorsk. The long-awaited event was postponed twice due to adverse weather conditions. And finally, the residents of Magnitogorsk and the city's guests were able to see the spectacular sight they had come to love. Before the large passenger balloons took flight, a small test balloon was launched. Several teams from various cities have arrived in legendary Magnitka in recent days. 4 hot air balloons took part in the opening, but the number later increased to 8. For a fee, those interested could take part in unforgettable flights. Hi everyone, you're on the Kofe-travel channel, and today we're taking to the skies. Flights over the city took place in the mornings and evenings over 2 days, August 6 and 7, after which the wind shifted toward the Magnitogorsk iron and steel works. The festival was relocated to Lake Bannoye, where the balloons launched for the next 2 days. Set against the backdrop of the picturesque Ural landscape, the flights looked even more magical. Dazzled vacationers gazed in delight at the brightly colored hot air balloons in the light of the setting sun. However, the most impressive sight was yet to come. On Sunday, August 9th, the spectacle reached its climax. 8 balloons soared up from behind Mount Karanyalik all at once. The flight path that evening created a truly spectacular sight. Our film is coming to an end. If you enjoyed my work, please show your support, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.